What's up, dolls, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also the notification bell, that way you'll be notified each and every time I upload. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing the voiceover for this foundation routine. Now I'm applying this gunk directly to my face. So next, I'm going to apply this face paint, and I'm going to slap it all on. Some people call me Picasso. Next, I'm blending everything out with a Brillo pad. Now I'm applying even more face paint to give it some shine, I guess. Oh yeah, I love you too, Queen. Now I'm blending this all out. Now I'm spreading chalk dust all over my face. I'm looking real ashy right now. Had to switch up the colors on y'all. Got that yellow chalk dust. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Now I'm smearing chocolate to frame my face. Gotta put in that work so it don't look like dirt. Next, I'm knocking that cornmeal off my face. Now I'm deepening my face with what appears to be cocoa powder. Can't seem to get it together here. Now I'm applying some powder foundation to make everything look flawless. Now I'm spraying on the clear coat in the shade Ultra Glossy. Now I'm adding on more shine. If you don't look like a glazed Krispy Kreme donut, it ain't enough. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If I did good, show some love by liking this video. Remember to subscribe and comment down below. And as always, be gorgeous, be blessed, be queens, my dolls. Until next time, see you later.
Yeah.